cut that.
Officials at Seattle-Tacoma International Airport are saying that an airline employee took the aircraft without permission, and it's thought that there were no passengers on board this plane. It was a Horizon Air Q400. So these are the latest pictures that we're showing you of the plane having crashed, and the Coast Guard alerted to large smoke plumes. As I say, that was in Seattle, so and then crashed shortly after, but we understand the plane itself was empty. We're going to keep you right up to date with that. As we get any more detail about, as I say, that curious incident, we'll bring it to you.
There are two!
Wow, what are these?
There are two of them!
There's planes all over the place. There's one up there.
Wow, that one is so high!
Huh.
That's a cool airplane there.
Oh, dude, I wonder, was that wasn't Air Force One, was it? Huh. Interesting.
Yo, I think a plane just crashed into this island right here, and I missed it, but a plane just crashed on this island, and there's jets